In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on Pinterest. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step so you can do it with ease, even if you're new to the platform. First, let's start by navigating to the Pinterest website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. That's www.pinterest.com. Hit enter, and you'll be directed to Pinterest's homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your messages. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a series of icons, including a bell for notifications and a speech bubble icon, which is your Messages tab. Go ahead and click on that speech bubble. This will open the Messages section where you can see all of your recent interactions. Now let's focus on finding the message you want to delete. Browse through your messages, and once you locate it, hover your mouse over the message thread. You'll see a set of 3 dots appear. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a small drop-down menu with several options. One of these options will be Delete. Click on Delete, and you'll likely be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the selected message. This is a crucial step because once you delete a message, you can't retrieve it, so make sure you've selected the correct one. Confirm this action by clicking Yes or Confirm, depending on the prompt. And just like that, the message will be removed from your list of conversations. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted a message on Pinterest. This small action helps maintain a clutter-free and organized communication space within the platform. It's always a good idea to routinely manage your messages, deleting those that are no longer relevant or needed, to keep your account streamlined and efficient. If you have any more questions about managing messages or any other feature on Pinterest, feel free to reach out in the comments below or explore other tutorials available on our channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful insights and tutorials. Happy pinning!